This brand is sold by factory-authorized dealers in the USA and Canada. The XR13.4C units use full louvered metal panel construction to protect the condenser coil from mechanical damage. They have a durable appliance-grade finish as well as rust-resistant screws to keep the units looking good for many years. The units use all aluminum spine-fin coils that are efficient at transferring heat and highly resistant to corrosion, but they are harder to keep clean, which can lower overall system performance. The guarantee on the units is pretty good, but they only offer basic models that use R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R32. This brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.